Today I am reviewing the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you've ever imagined a pair of glasses that can do much more than just help you see clearly, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Wayfarer Smart AI Glasses come very close to that vision. This is not just a fashion accessory, and it is not just a tech gadget either. It sits right in the middle of both worlds, combining everyday wearable style with smart AI-powered features that change how you capture, listen, and interact with your surroundings. At first glance, these still look like classic Ray-Ban Wayfarers. That is one of the biggest strengths of this product. They don't scream technology or look bulky like older smart glasses. Instead, they maintain a clean, stylish matte black frame that fits naturally on both men and women. You could wear them in public, at work, or while traveling, and most people would simply think you are wearing regular sunglasses. That subtle design is a big part of what makes them appealing. Once you start using them, however, you quickly realize they are much more than ordinary eyewear. One of the most impressive features is the built-in 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This allows you to capture photos and videos from a first-person perspective. Exactly what you see, exactly how you see it. This creates a very unique type of content because it feels personal, immersive, and natural. Whether you're traveling, walking through a city, attending an event, or just spending time with friends, you can record moments hands-free without ever needing to pull out your phone. The experience of capturing content becomes much more spontaneous. Instead of stopping to unlock your phone and frame a shot, you simply use voice commands or controls built into the glasses. This makes it ideal for creators, vloggers, or anyone who wants to document life as it happens without interruption. Along with the camera, the 5-microphone system plays a key role in ensuring clear audio capture. This is especially useful for video recording and calls. The audio pickup is designed to reduce noise and focus on your voice and immediate surroundings, which makes recordings feel more natural and less distorted. Another standout feature is the open-ear audio system. Instead of placing earbuds inside your ears, the glasses use discrete built-in speakers near your temples. This allows you to listen to music, podcasts, or calls while still staying aware of the environment around you. You can hear traffic, conversations, and ambient sounds without feeling isolated. This is especially useful for walking, commuting, or multitasking during the day. The audio quality is surprisingly rich for such a small form factor. While it will not fully replace high-end headphones, it provides a balanced and enjoyable listening experience that feels natural and convenient. You don't have to insert anything into your ears, which adds to the comfort during long usage. One of the most futuristic aspects of these glasses is the integration of Meta AI. This built-in assistant allows you to interact with your surroundings in real time. You can ask questions, get contextual information, or receive suggestions based on what you are looking at. It feels like having a lightweight digital assistant directly in your field of view and hearing range. For example, while traveling, you could ask about landmarks, directions, or translations. The AI can help interpret your environment and provide useful responses without needing to take out your phone. This creates a more fluid and hands-free way of interacting with information. Speaking of travel, the real-time translation feature is another powerful tool. It supports multiple languages and allows you to hear translations instantly between languages like English, Spanish, French, Italian, German, and Portuguese. This can make conversations much smoother when traveling internationally, removing some of the barriers that normally come with language differences. Communication features are also very well integrated. You can make phone calls, send messages, or join meetings directly through the glasses using Bluetooth connectivity. This makes it easy to stay connected while keeping your hands free. It is particularly useful when you are walking, driving, or doing activities where holding a phone is inconvenient. One of the most enjoyable aspects of using the Ray-Ban Meta glasses is how seamlessly they fit into daily life. You don't have to think about switching devices or adjusting your routine. They simply become part of how you experience your day. Whether you're listening to music, capturing a moment, or taking a call, everything feels natural and continuous. Privacy controls are also an important part of the design. Since this is a camera-equipped wearable device, Meta has included options to manage voice commands recording features, and other privacy settings. This gives users control over when and how the glasses are active, which is essential for comfort and trust in a wearable technology product. Battery life and usage experience are generally designed for day-to-day activity rather than heavy professional use. This means it is ideal for casual recording, commuting, social interactions, and travel, rather than continuous filming all day long. Charging is straightforward, and the glasses are built to be worn comfortably for extended periods. Overall, the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1 Wayfarer Smart Glasses represent a shift toward more natural, wearable technology. Instead of forcing you to interact with screens all the time, they bring digital features into your real-world experience in a subtle and hands-free way. They're not trying to replace your phone completely, but they do reduce how often you need to reach for it. That alone changes how you capture memories, communicate, and interact with the world around you. In the end, these glasses are about convenience, creativity, and staying present. They allow you to experience moments more fully while still staying connected. Once you get used to them, it feels less like you're wearing a gadget and more like you have upgraded the way you see and share your life.